I built this wooden conveyor completely from scratch. I start with a simple sketch, cut the wooden part with a CNC machine, install a ball bearing, edit an adjustable leg system, and finally fitted a DC motor. And now, this wooden conveyor is ready for its next upgrade. In the next video, I am going to connect Arduino and turn it to a fully automated conveyor. Before starting the build, I first designed the conveyor on a paper. This is my original sketch. Here I planned the dimensions, the leg, the roller, the conveyor base and the mounting point. I also included an adjustment system for the legs. After finalizing the design, I move on to the CNC machine. I use a CNC machine to cut the wooden parts according to my specific dimensions. Accurate cutting is important because the frame needs to stay properly aligned. After the CNC finish cutting, I check all the pieces and prepare them for assembly. Next, I assemble the conveyor base using screw. I wanted the frame to be strong, but I also wanted the parts to remain adjustable and serviceable. Once the base was assembled, I installed the leg and the roller support. I also added an adjustment system to the leg. The legs are secured using bolt and nuts, which allow me to adjust the position when needed. If the frame needs leveling or bolt become loose, I can make a quick adjustment and tighten it again. This makes the conveyor easier to align and maintain. For smooth rotation, I install ball bearing in the legs. These bearings support the shaft and allow the roller to rotate smoothly with less friction. I install bearing carefully so the shaft could rotate freely and stay properly aligned. After installing the bearing, I fitted the roller and the conveyor belt. I made sure everything was properly aligned and adjusted the belt tension. The belt needs to be tight enough to move with the roller, but not so tight that it put unnecessary load on the motor. And now we come to the part that changed it from manual conveyor into a powered machine. I already fitted a DC motor to conveyor. The motor is connected to our drive system, so when the motor rotates, it moves the conveyor belt. Let's turn it on. And there it is. The belt is moving smoothly, the roller are rotating, and the wooden frame is staying stable. Let's test it with an object. And it carry the object from one end to the other. The combination of the wooden frame, ball bearing, roller and DC motor is working really well. I wanted this project to be simple, but also strong enough to be upgraded later. That's why I added adjustable legs and designed the frame around the motor and roller system. And now the mechanical part is complete. But the conveyor isn't smart yet. The next step is Arduino. I am going to connect an Arduino, add automatic control and make it conveyor respond to sensor. The goal is to make it start, stop and eventually control the whole process automatically. So this is my wooden conveyor from a paper sketch to a working motorized machine. This mechanical build is complete. Next I am giving it a brain with Arduino. If you want to see full automation, subscribe to Hamza Robo and watch part 2 and comment below. What should I add to this conveyor next? Thanks for watching.